A pleasant day to all employers in Hong Kong, and this is my self-introduction. My name is Sheila May Floro Surad, 30 years old, married. I have 3 sisters and I am the second child in the family. I have 2 sons and they are now 6 and 7 years old. I work in Kuwait for 2 years and 6 months as a domestic helper. I took care of 8 members of the family and I was the only domestic helper. My mom, my sir, and the 6 children. The youngest is 6 years old and the eldest is 19 years old. These 6 children is 3 boys and 3 girls. My main duty is the 6 years old, the youngest. All of them go to school already. So, I need to prepare in the morning their food, their uniforms, and the Sri Lanka men will drive them to school and from school. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn more money for my family. Mom, sir, I hope you like me. I'm willing to learn the Hong Kong procedures. I gathered it's not the same as what I did in Kuwait. Mom, sir, please give me a chance to work for your family. I promise to finish my contract and to renew with you if you need still my services. Thank you and see you soon.